So here are three more EB-1A profile building opportunities for those of you who are software engineers. And one of these opportunities is more relevant to those of you who are in DevOps, but it's more also to show you the member communities that are that you can join as part of being a member of the British Computer Society. And keep in mind that these opportunities are also relevant for those of you who are looking at NIW and O-1. The first opportunity is the British Computing Society's SIGiST Summer Conference 2025. So SIGiST is the British Computer Society's special interest group in software testing. They have an annual summer conference, and this is the kind of conference you want to be attending. It's hosted by a top member organization for software engineers. It also has a history of being hosted every year, so there are probably going to be regulars who are going to be at this conference. And they're also looking for speakers right now, so you can apply to speak at this conference. And if you are interested in learning about how to get involved in the British Computer Society, especially in regards to their fellowship, which a lot of you know about, definitely think about attending this conference. And they also have a virtual component to this conference. The event will be held online. If you can attend in person, that's always much better than attending online. But if you can only make it online, then try to attend online and try to meet some members of the British Computer Society. So that is one opportunity. The second opportunity is the Texas Technology Summit. So there does not seem to be a call for speakers for this conference, but if you look at the speakers page, you'll see that a lot of top professionals will be attending, top software engineers, so CTOs, Director of Technology Innovation. So it just seems like there is a broad spectrum of people. Mostly industry leaders will be attending this conference. So this is the kind of conference that you want to attend to meet more people who are already highly involved in the field. So that is why you might want to attend the Texas Technology Summit, especially if you're based in Texas. Try to attend in person. And you can also reach out to see if they have any volunteering opportunities available. That is something you can always reach out to for any type of conference, especially for conferences at this scale involving top industry leaders, because you can always potentially get access, exclusive access to certain events if you are a volunteer. The third opportunity is DevOps. So this seems to be a more niche kind of conference based in St. Louis, Missouri. But if you're based in the area or based nearby, this is definitely the kind of conference you want to attend because it's more niche, probably more intimate. So the kind of conference you want to be attending to meet more top professionals and to have more conversations with more people, because I know for some of you, you might not necessarily want to attend a much bigger conference. It just depends on what kind of conference you like to attend. Some people like smaller conferences, some people like larger conferences. This is definitely on the smaller end of things, which can be great because you can also see if there are speaking opportunities available as well as volunteering opportunities. So it looks like they do have a speaker page. It looks like they have an active call for speakers, so you can definitely try to apply to speak at the conference. And usually what I do is, so they actually have quite a few speakers already, but it seems like they are still accepting speakers. So speak at DevOps. Yeah, they do have a active calls for speakers, and it closes on February 28th, 2025. So you still have some time to apply to speak at DevOps. And yeah, you can also reach out to see if they have any volunteering opportunities available. So those are just three opportunities related to EB-1A, possibly related to NIW, depending on your proposed endeavor, and also related to O-1. For those of you who are building towards EB-1A, NIW, or O-1, these are the kinds of opportunities that you want to get involved in to meet more top software engineers, and you want to ideally take an active role in these events. So for BCS, it might be speaking at the annual conference. For SIGiST, for the Texas Technology Summit, perhaps speaking if they're still accepting speakers, and if not, volunteering to try to get more exclusive access to events. And for DevOps, speaking or volunteering as well. you want to get involved in a more active way than just attending, because by getting involved in helping organize or speaking, it's just the better way to showcase your expertise in front of other top professionals. You can't really do that as a volunteer, but at least you can get access to more people as a volunteer. But definitely speaking is a great way to showcase your expertise, which is why I chose to showcase some of these opportunities because at least two of them are actively looking for speakers. So that's it. Three EB-1A profile building opportunities, and for EB-2 NIW and O-1 as well for software engineers.